A 63-year-old Manipuri man from Manipur was arrested by Palakkad Cyber Police for allegedly orchestrating an online trading scam that duped a Kerala-based businessman of 1 crore 84 lakh rupees. The man is identified as Kaisham Ningthemjao, a former Congress ticket aspirant from the Andro Assembly constituency. He hails from Yaripok, Laimanai, Top Jingtha in Imphal East District. According to investigators, the fraud was carried out between August and November 2025, during which the accused and his associates reportedly lure a Manakadke native with promises of high returns through online share trading platforms. The victim was first approached via WhatsApp and persuaded to invest small amounts through links shared by the fraudsters. Police said the initial transactions yielded modest but prompt returns, creating an illusion of legitimacy and building trust. Once confidence was established, the victim was induced to make larger transfers. Later, the huge sum of money was siphoned off to multiple bank accounts controlled by the accused and his network. Cyber police officials revealed that Kaisham Ningthemjao is also facing 5 additional cheating cases registered in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and Kerala, indicating a possible interstate fraud syndicate.